Hi, we are going to review how to convert units. And the method we are going to use, some people use proportions. I am going to use conversion factors. Conversion factors, what is that? Well, a factor is a number that multiplies. 3 times 5, 15, 3 is a factor, 5 is a factor. So we are going to multiply. By what? By fractions. We are going to multiply fractions. Okay, so this special fraction is really 1. You are multiplying by 1. It says the numerator and denominator are the same quantity but expressed in different units. Okay, so if I divide 1 minute divided by 60 seconds, this is 1. Why? Because 1 minute is 60 seconds. They are equivalent. So that's what we are going to use. We are going to use a fraction that has different units, but they are equivalent. It's the same thing. Now somebody call me Mari, somebody call me Maria del Carmen, someone call me Mrs. Lopez. Well, it's the same person, different names, so here we are working with different units. Examples. 365 days is 1 year. Can I say 1 year over 365 days? Sure. So it depends on what do you need to convert units. And that's what we are going to see next. 3 feet is 1 yard. 1 day, 24 hours. Okay, let's see. How are we going to use these conversion factors? Okay, to convert units, you have to figure it out. You need to think what conversion factor you need to use. Okay, so example, if I have 5 centimeters and I want meters, okay, I want meters. So they said, you want meters, okay. Meters is the desired unit that goes at the top, and the bottom is the given unit. So here they are giving me centimeters. And what numbers am I going to write? Okay, the equivalence. I know that in 1 meter, there are 100 centimeters, right? So when I do that, when I multiply fractions, you multiply top with top. Remember the units. Bottom with bottom, this denominator is 1. 1 times 100 centimeters. And then I say, hey, centimeters is canceling out. And what do I have left? 5, let me bring it up. I will have 5 over 100 meters. If I use my calculator, this will give me 0.05 meters. So I change using this fraction. Let's look at other examples. They are giving me 18 inches. I need feet. Okay, multiply by the fraction. You have inches in the numerator, you put them in the denominator. You want feet, that goes in the numerator. And then we need to multiply. So I will have 18 times 118 over 12. Inches and inches cancel. And that gives me the units that I wanted. What is 18 divided by 12? 1.5 feet. Okay, let's do an example that is a little longer because now we have to change 2 units. 20 miles per hour, I need feet per second. Miles per hour, is that a fraction? Yes, it is. The speed that they are giving you in your car, they said mph. This is an abbreviation for this fraction, miles per hour. So now I have 20 miles over hour. And I don't want hours, I want seconds. So remember, here, hours is in the denominator. I am going to have hours in the numerator, so they cancel. And in this case, seconds is in the denominator. Okay, what do I know? In 1 hour, there are 3,600 seconds. Yes, in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. In each minute there are 60 seconds. 60 times 60, 3,600. Okay. Now with that, I don't have more hours. Now I have the seconds. Now I need to change the miles to feet. Okay. Miles are in the numerator, so miles in the denominator to cancel. And I know that 1 mile is 5,280 feet. How do I multiply across? So I will have 20 times 1 times 5,280. That's my numerator. The denominator is going to be 360 times 1. What about the units? Let me change the color. So we saw the hours and hours cancel. Miles and miles cancel. And now the units that are left are feet per second. Sorry for the handwriting, it's a little hard to write. Okay, so let's see what number do we get. Okay, so this gives me 293.3 feet per seconds. Okay, I hope this helped. Take care.